Got anything to eat today?
Well, we can go to the zoo and get you some food.
Yeah, let's go to the zoo. Yeah.
Ooh, look, what is this? Is that graffiti?
Yeah.
Is that the graffiti?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on a path.
He was tapping on the glass.
Why do we have to do all this
And the
stuff?
mommy and the peacock was like, oh,
Get
no,
outta
you should
here,
see
turn
when you were
around.
on the carousel.
Mom.
Oh, the orangutan was swinging
around.
on the cage.
I just want to get some of the. Look how big these trees are, guys. They're huge.
It's so beautiful here.
Like you acting like you've never freaking been here a while.
I haven't taken a walk in a canyon for a long, long time.
Holy shit.
Look at this. Look at how scary those rocks do. Look right there.
Mom, when I have my camera course, you think we need to give me a professional camera?
Maybe.
Yes! I've always wanted a professional camera. Mom, maybe we should go back. It kind of looks like a dead end there.
Well, let's go to that tree and then we'll turn around.
Which tree? There's so many.
That one that looks like a dead end.
No! We can't get it.
Just
Come
go
on.
get it.
Oh, you just see the orangutan. It was like walking around like this.
Yeah.
You mean the orangutans were walking around out of the cage? It was it was outside. It was swinging on the cage. Like he was holding on. It was like, doo. He makes doing this look really bad. Yeah. And there was one, it was like, I think it was one of those.
We could come here and have a picnic.
Mommy, you know who makes it? Wasn't an orangutan, it was one of those white monkeys. Mommy, you know what kind of animal that makes gymnasts look bad?
Yeah.
Mom, know what kind of animal that makes gymnasts look bad?
Okay.
Yes, you just asked the same.
So, oh, look at that rocks over there. It looks like it looks like a cave.
I think we should
Oh, wait a minute. I want to close in on it. There's a cave. I think we should go in that cave.
Mom,
Okay.
there could be a bear in there.
I don't think so.
Yes. Mom,
Okay.
you're getting bad ideas. This
Here
is
we
why
are.
we shouldn't take you hiking in big scary forest.
Okay.